the problem statement is you are given a string and your task is to swap the cases. So in other words, convert all lower case letters to uppercase letters and vice versa. It means uppercase letters to the lowercase letters. So suppose example it is given www.hackerrank.com. So whatever is in the uppercase, H is uppercase, so it converted into small case, and in the all the A, C, K, E, R, all these are in lower case, so got converted into the uppercase. So this is how we need to just convert the whatever the uppercase into lowercase and lowercase into uppercase. Okay, so I have to write the function. We need to complete this function here, swap case. So it is taking the input as S. Now what I will be doing, let me just take a simple variable A and nothing. And what I want for suppose for letter, this is the temporary variable for let in S. Okay, that is input, right? So for letter in S, if letter dot is upper, so I have in my previous videos I have already told you that there are a lot of functions, is upper, is lower, or lower or dot upper. All these are lowercase uppercase functions that we can use. So we will check if the letter dot is upper, so is true. Okay, is equal to true. Then what we will do? Then we'll do a is equal to a plus. So simply I am doing a plus equal to letter dot lower. Okay, we'll keep that in lowercase and nothing else. And in the else, same, else a plus equal to let, if it is in, so same, if it is vice versa, if it is not true, then we'll convert that in upper, if let dot upper. Okay, upper, and then we'll return a. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it has passed the test case. Now submit the code. So yes, it has passed all the test cases. So that's it for this one. Now in the next video we will see the next problem.